Guys, the latest iMac. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to MC2 Lifestyle Channel. This is Kian here, and what are we doing today? We are going to unbox the latest 27-inch iMac, which is bought yesterday. And by the way guys, if you have not watched the shopping haul video that we have just done, which how we spent 15,000 bucks in just one day, do find the video in the link described below as well as the card up here. And so today, without further ado, let's unbox the latest iMac 27-inch, which is the highest spec. Alright guys, ready? Let's do this. Wow. Keyboard. This will be later. Guys, the latest iMac. Keyboard and mouse. Apple sticker. Wow. Kain. It's a cloth for wiping. Here we are. So what you have just seen earlier is the unboxing of the latest 27-inch iMac, which is the latest 2020 version, where it comes with 4 USB ports as well as 2 Lightning Thunderbolt USB-C port and as well as 1 SD card slots. 8 GB DDR4 RAM standard, and it is upgradable to 128 GB, as well as it is the Intel 8-core i7 processor, and it is built-in 512 GB SSD drive. Alright guys, if you guys are enjoying this video so far and you want to know more about the iMac latest spec, we're possibly going to do a comparison video with the latest iMac 2020 and the 2015 iMac that we have. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please remember to hit the share button as well as subscribe to our MC2 Lifestyle channel for more lifestyle related videos in the future, right? This is Kion here and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.